Welcome. We're going to delve into the wilderness wisdom of Swedish legend Lars Fält here and take a look at his classic book series in a series of short videos. From planning and executing wilderness trips in both summer and winter to mastering survival techniques and how to use a knife or axe safely, get ready for an immersive exploration into nature's classroom. This is Outdoors the Scandinavian Way. Outdoors the Scandinavian Way, survival skills. What would you do if the worst happened? How would you find your way back to civilization if you were lost in the wilderness? Could you survive several days in the wilds without contact with the outside world if required? These questions and more will be answered within the pages of this book. Outdoors the Scandinavian Way Survival Skills contains a wealth of practical information from how we can use the skills and knowledge of indigenous peoples to help us hone our survival skills, on how to build shelter, make fire, procure safe drinkable water and obtain food.